विंग द्वार से बाहर निकल रहे हैं तो रक्षा जैकेट में हवा बाहर निकलने के बाद ही भरें। अगर विमान में स्लाइड्स या स्लाइड राफ्ट्स लगे हैं तो बाहर निकलते ही आप निकटतम राफ्ट पर चढ़ जाएं। विमान कर्मी दल की अनुमति के बिना रक्षा जैकेट को इस विमान से हटाना वर्जित है। आपातकालीन स्थिति में इस विमान में स्लाइड्स या स्लाइड राफ्ट्स लगे हुए हैं। हमारे सुरक्षा निर्देश पत्र में इनका स्थान और उपयोग के निर्देश हैं। आपके लिए ब्रेल में एक सुरक्षा सूचना कार्ड और संचार गाइड उपलब्ध है। Your safety is our top priority, and we request you to pay close attention to this demonstration, even if you fly frequently. A safety instruction card is available in the seat pocket for your reference. Secure your seat belt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end. To open, lift the buckle. It is recommended to keep your seat belt fastened at all times. In the event of a decrease in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will fall automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply to initiate oxygen flow. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Ensure your mask is secured before helping others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 at the front, 2 at the middle, 2 at the rear, and 2 over the wings. The fluorescent strips along the floor will guide you to the closest exit. In the unlikely event of a water landing, please take the life jacket from under your seat. For Indigo Stretch Seat customers, please pull the red tab to take the life jacket stored in a compartment under the central armrest. Slip the jacket over your head and secure the strap around your waist. Inflate by pulling the red tab or tabs, and to inflate it further, blow into the inflation tube or tubes. Inflate the life jacket just before leaving the main exit doors. If evacuating through an overwing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. If the aircraft has slides or slide rafts, board the nearest raft on exit. Tampering with or removing the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and punishable. In case of an emergency landing, slides or slide rafts may be deployed. Please read our safety instruction card on how to use the slides or slide rafts. A safety information card and a communication guide are available in Braille. Thank you for your attention.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, पावर बैंक्स और लिथियम बैटरीज गर्म होकर आग पकड़ सकते हैं। इन्हें अपने सामने रखें, ओवरहेड बिन्स में नहीं। इनका उपयोग या इन्हें चार्ज करना मना है। अगर कोई डिवाइस से धुआं निकले, गर्म हो जाए या उसे गंध आए तो तुरंत विमान कर्मी दल को बताइए। धन्यवाद। Request your attention please. Power banks and lithium batteries can overheat and catch fire. Keep them in your sight and not on the overhead bins. Do not use or charge power banks during the flight. If any device emits heat, smoke or an unusual odor, inform cabin crew immediately. Thank you. True to your seats for takeoff. Confirm cabin clearance, please. Thank you.
हैं।